Hi, I'm Kim and I blog at Salvaged Living where I do easy peasy DIY projects for a life and home redeemed. And I have the most precious little nugget helping me today. You guys, when you pop on, you're gonna get to meet my baby. This is my youngest child, Sadler, and he is gonna help me craft today. We are going to make something really fun and really easy that you can use for your 4th of July decor, but really you can use it for any holiday because I'll give you some ideas as we go. Sadler is already starting on our project, so we are going to make this cute little sign. So I made one before already. Y'all have, I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I'll show it to you in a minute, but we're going to make a slightly different version of it today. Say hi, Sadler.
Hi.
Now there's 2 ways that you can make this sign, okay? So, I know not everybody has a Cricut or a silhouette. Do you guys have a Cricut or a silhouette? If you do, tell me. And if you're interested in having more Cricut projects, I would like to know that because I haven't done a ton with you guys, but I have a Cricut and I love it. So if you're interested in more projects like that, I'd be happy to work on some. Thank you so much, Sadler. So, I think this is going to be easier doing this on cardboard, so I'm going to do this really quick. I'm tracing this cutout that Sadler did for me. I'm just using a piece of cardboard. You could use like a cereal box or something like that. It's usually my go-to cardboard. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out really fast so we can get started on the fun part. Right? So we're kind of doing, I would call it like a reverse stencil for this sign. And it's so easy. Sadler's gonna help me do this sign. And he asked if he could have it in his room when we're done because he likes it so much. So I was thinking about this project and I'm kind of curious, you guys, tell me, do y'all decorate for the 4th of July? Like how many of y'all decorate? And then I kind of was wondering outside of that, okay, I already know the answer. Would probably be Christmas to this question. So I'm gonna rephrase the way I was gonna ask this question. What holiday do you guys decorate the most for besides Christmas? Do you decorate for seasons? Like I was just curious, do you go all out for Halloween or something? Or do you decorate like spring, summer, fall? Or do you decorate like as the holidays go? What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna take some tape because we're making our own like backward stencil, you know? And we're gonna tape down this star really good onto our piece of wood. And I'm just gonna show you, guys, this is scrap wood. Literally just use scrap wood, whatever you have. What are you doing? Cutting stuff? Okay, so I'm putting kind of a lot of tape on here and then I'm gonna stick it right where I want it. And I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so this is just a scrap piece of wood. It's stained. There's nothing special about it. You could make this bigger. You could make it smaller. You could put a bunch of stars all over a big one. You could do it on a canvas. You could even do this on a piece of cardboard if you wanted to. I mean, literally any surface, okay? So next what we're gonna do is get our craft paints, okay? Got them? So we're gonna start with, this sounds kind of watery. These are just acrylic craft paints. Okay, so yeah, put a little bit in there, Sadler. Okay, you can't see what, let me scooch over. Okay, there we go. So I use these little plastic palettes. I think that they're so easy, you can just rinse them off. That's plenty, you don't need that much glue. So we're doing red, white, and blue. You could do this for any holiday though. You could do this for Christmas, you could do it for Halloween, you just change out the colors, right? So I'm taking just a cheap chip brush and I am going to stick my paint in it, my paint brush in this white paint. And then if you want to try it, just make sure you're like, you know, not so overloaded on your brush because what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go over this star. And look, you're only gonna go from the stencil part out and do it all different ways and different lengths. Yeah, we have that one too. So sometimes they're gonna, Okay, do you see what I'm doing? We're kind of making like a firework. Don't put too, you wanna do some? Perfect. Do some more. Ah! Got it? Nice. Oops, I got it in the red on accident already, which is fine. Here, we'll let you finish the white. Look, let's get some more, we don't have enough paint. Okay. So, this, okay, let me get you some more paint, baby. Okay. Look, just do big strokes. Okay. Go farther out. Can y'all see what he's doing? Try not to go in that red because once you do that, brush is done. So go, let's do a little bit more right here. So you want to do kind of the first, I just got paint all over me, which is always what happens. You want to do the first lap around your stencil pretty, I don't want to say solid, but like you're going to be able to see the shape and the form of whatever it is you stencil better if you make sure you cover all the areas. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Okay, so I do like some different, streak it out, you know? Especially however big your board is. So this is what it looks like so far. It's kind of like a hot mess right now, but it's about to be so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna do the red. You wanna do it, just do a couple.
Can you use this one?
No, use this one.
Try it out.
That's okay, just use this one. Just do like 1 or 2 here and there. Okay, make sure you go start from the on top of the stencil. You got it. Okay, let's get more red on because it's turning pink. Perfect. Make kind of tails, you know? Look at that, he's doing it. Okay, so I'm taking a thin brush this time because I don't want it all like crazy big. No, I'm gonna do a little one. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do some like, we're literally just making kind of like fireworks, okay? So we're just gonna go with some little streaks and just cross over your colors, okay? You start on the middle and go out. There you go. Perfect. Not so much paint, not so much paint. Offload it a little bit, okay. Okay, sweet. Now this is the fun part. So this brush is kind of a stiff brush. It's not one of those soft brushes. Like this is a brush that you could use. It's, I don't know if you can tell, but these are like, you know, those stiff brushes. So what I'm gonna do, this time you are gonna get a lot of paint. And we're gonna just take our finger and like, boom, boom. When you do this, yeah, I'm not letting you do this one, buddy. It'll be a hot mess. If you just get the paint on there and splatter it with your finger, it's gonna make it splatter. So you might wanna be careful where you do this, because if you're not good at it and you get it all over, just watch whatever kind of work surface you're on. But do it on the outline, do it all around, and you can do this with the other colors. So I'm gonna go back and do a few, where'd our red go? Oh, you did so good, buddy. It's fun, huh? Pretty easy. Okay, so look, if you use one of these big brushes, you can do the same thing. Just gently, the more paint you put, the more it's gonna splatter. And I'll show you up close what this looks like. I like how I hold my mouth, like, when I do it, I'm like, goofy. Okay, so, that is it, y'all. Then we take our star off. And show. How cute is our starburst sign? Is that the cutest thing ever? I love this. So look, I'm gonna show you the one I did before on the other side is the 4th. So you can see, like, just do really little strokes. Make sure you start off like getting all the white all the way around the edges. I love the splatter that comes in there, and it just looks like a firework. So what would be really cute is to do this for Christmas and do 25, or maybe do Valentine's, you could do the 14th, you could do the 31 in black and white and orange for Halloween, or like a bright green, or whatever color it is you do.